shit. Sorry for any wind noise, just in advance. Yeah, she backfires quite a bit. But it's a 830 case with a 4-cylinder gasser with a factory wide front. I'm in, I think, 4th gear and I think low range. Let's find out. Yep, we were in low range. Now let's go to 4th gear high range. Hope you don't dicker. This is 4th gear high range. This is road gear pretty much. We're towing a trailer. We're building the fence and that's what I'm using to put gravel in the posts. Hop, hop, hop. Well, if you like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe and have an awesome day. And I want to be like Wes, so hit the thumbs up button. Thanks a lot, Wes.